of politics. अब उसने क्या किया, मीन्स what method he adopted? So he adopted a new style of politics. What new style of politics? He understood the significance of rituals. Yes, emotionally uh, he tried to attack on the emotional part of the people, means a significance of rituals. Nazis held massive rallies. Nazi propaganda skillfully projected Hitler as a messiah, as someone who had arrived to deliver people from their distress. Rituals means everywhere the symbol swastik, but in very first slide which I have told you, that swastik, that was a symbol of Aryan. So this symbol was used, such type of Nazi flags were created, and during their marches and rallies they were taking such uh, mm, flags, Nazi flags, and promoting swastik symbol as a sacred symbol of Aryans. uh, Nazi propaganda जो means there everywhere Hitler was projected. Hitler was projected as a Masiha. Masiha means the person who someone who is going to stop all sufferings, means will bring the people out from their all sufferings. So he was projected as a Masiha. So this was the new style of politics which he applied. Now, uh, when he got popularity and number of people became the follower of Nazi party, and Nazi party became one of the major political party in Germany. So on 30th January 1933, President Hindenburg offered the chancellorship, the highest position in the cabinet of ministers, to the Hitler. Chancellorship is a type of Pradhan Mantri position, prime minister position. Okay. Uh, in 1933. Having acquired power, Hitler set out to dismantle the structures of democratic rule. And when he came into power, so he planned to dismantle the structure of democratic rule. Means he wanted to uproot the democratic rule. Means to uproot the Weimar Republic. Uh, and in 1933, 28 February, within a month, a fire decree of 28 February 1933 indefinitely suspended civic rights. Uh, he passed a decree in 1933 and suspended all civic rights like freedom of speech, press, and assembly that had been guaranteed by the Weimar Constitution. It was the first step taken by the Germany to move towards the dictator rule in Germany. Then he turned on his arch enemies and communists, most of whom were hurriedly packed off to the newly established concentration camps. Uh, then he turned his enemies, the communists, and all they were packed, communists, Jews, and Gypsies. All these were considered as enemies of the Nazi or the Aryan races. So all they were packed off to the newly established concentration camps. Concentration camps are type of torture camps where the people were tortured in various ways. Okay, sometimes they were sent to the gas chamber, sometimes they were killed by smoking, or lots of physical and mental tortures were given in those concentration camps. The repression of the communists was severe, means all the communist people were shortlisted, and one by one each communist was sent to the concentration camp, where either they were just because of the torture they lost their life, or they were sent to the uh, gas chamber for their final murder. Next, on 3rd March 1933, the famous Enabling Act was passed. It was another act which he passed on March 1933. This act establishing dictatorship in Germany. With this act, he declared himself as a dictator of Germany. It gave Hitler all powers to sideline parliament and rule by decree. Yes. When he declared himself as a dictator, so he stopped all the elected parliamentarian were sidelined, uh, and the constitution was disobeyed or suspended. All political parties and trade unions were banned except for the Nazi Party and its affiliates. Uh, except Nazi Party and its affiliates. Affiliates means those who were supporting Nazi Party, okay, or were they a part of its alliance. Rest of the political parties and trade unions were banned. The state established complete control over the economy, media, army, and judiciary. Yes, media could not publish without the permission of state. State means government. Okay, every economy, media, army, and judiciary, all four important components were controlled by the government. Government means Hitler itself.